not say that God make you there alive, clap for God. If you not say this year, your mama go there alive to see your success, clap for God. If you not say you value your girlfriend and you value your mama, clap for God. If you not say you go get money before this year go end, clap for God. If you not say the vision 2020 go work for you, clap for God. If you not say no go get carry over, clap for God. Now God chop us so. Fine girls full year, fine boys dey here. Now I beg, I won't beg all the girls for here. Today na wetin? Today na wetin? Today na Valentine. If you don't date one guy and you don't like the guy, tell the guy say you don't like him. Not dey deceive and say you like him because of the money when he gets. Please. Now so one of my guy, he don't date one girl. For the past 5 years now, he never kissed the girl once. The day where they use mistake kiss the girl now for inside dream. He dream say they suck the girl lip. They suck him as they wake up because this cover say like Grandma Manya she they suck since. Things they happen. I know they want to know about this hotel. Yes, they like Boga. They like Yahoo boys. That's why they toast one girl for legit here. And they told the guy, say, baby, good evening, you are very beautiful, you are very nice. My name is Mega Mouth. What is your name? And the guy looked me like shit. Say, who is this? Who are you to talk to me? Who are you? I'm a Ghana. I never complete that. The guy out of my body, they kiss me. I love you. Now when the guy, I don't enjoy the kiss finish. Now the guy got time, you complete it on me. You are a Ghana what? Now tell him, I'm a Ghana must go. And I must go with you. This the apple. Now, man told this now, so man come out. God's great air for year. They call her air. Will not complain. God come out for them. He creates air for year. What they call her? They call her habit. Will not complain. God come out for them. He creates air for year. They call her what he air for belay. Will not complain. Because they even come out for them, go put air for our department. We talk no. But if I die, the first question I go ask God, they say, God, what the hell they do for person yash? Could you believe recently me and my boss MCS choir? Me and I with the go boss, with the enter bus they travel, shit on me. As I just the rush enter the bush, they go shit. I'm surprised I see Esquire. For my back the shit. Sorry for my front. Now Esquire they front. Me they back. We got the shit. As with the shit, I don't know what they carry my eye. Go here Esquire and Yash day. My brother and my sister, if you see the hair wave for Esquire and Yash, he squeeze. He got strong like Bob Marley Dada. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your night.
I'm in the way started to sing music. Even I see this boy, the next one I would like this boy. Give it up as I make welcome on stage. See love. You should know.
It's Christmas. It's Chucky class. Baby, I just want to tell you what a pretty you are. You never leave me idle, so I'll carry you are. My love for you, baby, will not let you down. So give it to me, baby, I never look back. You like a mother, take care of you like a big sister. Treat you right like old grandma, and I will never let you down. I love you like a mother, take care of you like a big sister. Treat you right like old grandma, and I will never let you down. Sing-la-la, sing-la-la, ooh, sing-la-la, oh, yeah. Sing-la-la, sing-la-la, beautiful sing-la-la, bring my love for me. Sing-la-la, sing-la-la, ooh, sing-la-la, sing-la-la, oh, yeah. Sing-la-la, sing-la-la, ooh, sing-la-la, bring my love for me. I thought eventually I will be a player. But unfortunately now known as Christian lover, I will always guide you just to be your soldier.
I will treat you like my queen, not to be my servant.
I don't want to be man. No. He's a boy, Chris Love. Alongside Status. You are the angel of my life. You are my morning cloudy star. You are my baby that makes me laugh for. Baby, I won't let you go. I'ma tell me where gonna far away. I'ma tell me love where gaga. I'ma tell me call me car yo. I'ma tell me go see girl man. I want you, I need you. I'ma tell me go see girl man. I wanted to tell you. I'ma tell me go see girl man. I want you, I need you. I'ma tell me go see girl man. I wanted to tell you. I'ma tell me go see girl. You mean a lot to me. You are all I need. Nobody can see what I have to give. If not you, I go say. Baby, for
thank you, no time, good night.
You got also be on table for the light. Topi, here tonight. Topi. Oh my God. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Topi shutting down in one place with caskets of Andre. Topi, Himalaya squats. Let's go. Topi. Shit. Topi. That's a statue. How to statue. Stand on the Bible, one button, and casket in the Bible. Yeah. The pass now. I want to make welcome a very good comedian. And this guy is good when it comes to comedy. With a clap innovation, join me as I make welcome. Network problem. Shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, cheer. DJ. Okay now. I wish all the beautiful ladies happy Val. I'm dedicating this song to all beautiful ladies. Okay now, DJ.
Terry Black. Oh yeah.
Chee. Case don't know. Let's talk about this one.
From the first day I met you, baby, I cannot explain. So I give you my life, I give my love to you. Baby, hold me, love me, and kiss me. I made this song as I made my life for you. Baby, you are my love, you are everything in my life. Girl, I want to let you know and prove this love for you. Baby, dance, celebrate. Baby, you are my one in a million. Everything within my heart, I give it to you. Baby, love me now. Love me, lele, love me, lele, love me, Adama. Baby, love me now.
DJ. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you go get money 2020.
Oh yeah.
If you believe say you go get money this year. Alright now.
Black on this one.
Oh yeah. Then the wise go.
The wife, you know.
MCK on the beat.
Oluwa, bless me with this money. Show me the way, Lord, I want to jolly. Oluwa, bless me with this money. Show me the way, Lord, I want to feel array. Oluwa, Now your hand I do. Make you run out for me, Lord. I want to get this money. Oluwa, now your hand I do. Make you run me the way, Lord. I want to get this money. Lord, as I dey pray, make you bless me with this money. As I dey walk, I dey also shower me with this money. Oh, Lord, as I dey pray, make you show me this money. As I dey walk, I dey also bless me with this money. Oh, if they like me, they shoot catapult. Say me they fire catapult. Now your grace I need. Oluwa with your mercy I need. If they like me, they shoot catapult. Say me they fire catapult. Now your grace I need. Oluwa with your mercy I need. Oluwa, bless me with this money. Show me the way, Lord, I want to jolly. Oluwa, now your hand I do. Make you know me, Lord, I want to jolly. Oluwa, now your hand I do. Make you show now for me, Lord, I want to get this money. Oluwa, now your hand I do. Make you show me the way, Lord, I want to get this money.
Yeah, this is down. The country very hard. This boy, he be a comedian before. Oh God, what kind of country is this? Only you a comedian. Now you just switch go music. People go here now, go here, say don't put one sugar for junction. You can become doctor, native doctor. Kill them with the sauce.
Come on, are you ready tonight? We'll break it down. Whenever you are, I want you to catch your phone on the low. We'll say, come on, who do it? Come listen to our guys in the building tonight. Shaman, do it. God bless you, really good. See, we're on one time. Ladies and gentlemen, the man with the best things that you can ever take a part is in the building. Reach your phones. Bros, the money reach so they use after they have phones. You know the characters. If you don't find no, the money long like them with teeth. I saw the bands. You know the characters with wheat. Hold on, come on. Where they say the money squad, they're the building tonight. Come on. Almost kill with the key. Let's go, Baptiste Carter. DJ Pitch. Come on. Hold on, the next artist just said. Let's go. Baptiste Carter. Baptiste Carter. Good as a shebo. Are you ready tonight? What's up? What's up? Hello, Katie. As you enter. Come on, one time. Ladies and gentlemen, do the piece of the week. Come on. Malians. Hold on. Hello, Star. Are you ready tonight? I'm on the party waiting. Man of the year. Who do it? Call this to work. Let's go. Hey, come on. Take it. Hold on. What's up, my Rimalians? Askalai. We want to kill them tonight. Guys, take a piece. Water. Our place get set. What's up? Are you ready tonight? It's not for children. Hello, Kedi. Mr. Ano. Ono Nation. Aye, female Kedi. Are you ready? You are give it. You know, Connelly. I go hear what today. One really know something. It's all by God. We are DJ. What's up? Drop it down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, you're welcome to Mingo with Mingo, the 3rd edition. The 1st edition, the whole line for there. That day, the gate been at 200 for the 1st edition. Now, Smingo, everywhere good. And everybody where they here, they come out, they come support us. Why the 2nd edition, now here the stage day, they come carry Victor Eddy come. And all these people who are there, they still going to support us. And ladies and gentlemen, by the grace of God, this is the 3rd edition. And una don't come support us again. Now let God go bless una for me. So before we go do anything, now I'll be our celebrity today. I beg, anywhere you do, clap for yourself. I want me to celebrate yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. But if you don't say the table where you sit down, not be best to give you money buying. Clap for yourself. All right, thank you. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We're breaking it down tonight. You know the characters. Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? Is it ready? What's up? I got DJ Pish on the wheel. It's a boy Skydo on the MIC tonight. Yeah, DJ, thank you.
It's only black potters on the air. Even the black potters, we don't care. What's in the apple here? Plus the reality 2020. The money won't carry come and go, swing go. The money plenty blessing. Take it. Take it. Ladies and gentlemen, exclusive Rishi phones. Plus the money tell when they use that to the half phones. Rishi phones. Black buttons in the air. I'm ready for Charles Solo so that today for the follow the Sari. This one a reality 2020. The money where she first kind of come and go with people, the money plenty. I'm ready for also low. We don't say our do is now 30. We'll be like a video, the premiums now 30. Black buttons in the air. Rishi Foods. Are you ready now for? Are you still for Vegas morning?
Joseph, bros, clap now, clap. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, my name is MC Comedian 4Geek. I'm a comedian, and I'm also a thief. But I'm not here to steal anybody. I only steal hearts. They steal girls' hearts. Olowo Kedi, I said they thief girls' hearts. If I spray money for that word, though. The community don't cast Olowo Kedi. The way the streets they be now, it be like say now school shop also. Because nowadays they beg woman every $25 to card. You know they green send though. The community don't cast. The street don't have though. True. I catch one woman. I catch woman for Instagram. The woman write me how far. I call the fee say na scam. I don't know say na real woman. She just write me how far. He said I know so you go beg me money for future. I not get. I not get. So now you waste your love. Now ladies and gentlemen, I say Otefe don't cast. Otefe now bros. They look me the spine. Otefe don't cast though. Now Otefe, Olowo Kedi. Now Otefe wish, tepu, wish for food. Get small pikin make shop. The pikin shop the food, leave the wish. Now I tell the mama say your wish they wait you. Where CBN here and they laugh. As they laugh, they spray. They near there. As they laugh, may they use me start the spray now. Near and touch on. Touch on, no worry, touch on. Use the money touch back of your head.
Pull up the tune! Pull up the tune!
The country don't cast. Otefe too strong. Every year too strong. Now this Otefe person buy egg grow, my brother. He shot the roll, use the egg, take cook stew. Olowo Kedi, they yell. And they crack the joke for you. They spray money. Or you get perfume for the spray and too. The country don't cast. One girl buy chicken pie. Bros. The girl buy chicken pie. She shop the pie because they train the chicken and wait till December. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I want to do this last one, man, come out. I know say no time, I bear no verse. Now, they say you get different between Bako Pikin and Ajabo Pikin. They're not the year. Ajabo Pikin, if you call her for school, make her recite poem. You go hear something like maybe blessing, that they get sweetness, Cynthia. Say, let's make welcome Cynthia for her poem recitation. You see Ajabo Pikin go waka. come like this. You hear something like, good ladies and gentlemen, my name is Cynthia, and I'm here to do my poem recitation. You hear some very sweet song, something like, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above that world so high, like a diamond in the sky. That one has Jebo. But go picking not get time for twinkle, twinkle, especially Otefe children, EDG. They don't get that time. Obuko, I go one party, I make work Obuko for his poem. I said, let's make come Obuko for his poem recitation. But go picking, Urobo children, first thing when you hear from the matter, Emo Robo wa dog. When I reply me, I beg. Emo Robo wa dog. Emo Robo wa dog. O wa were. Ame uvo. Omonion Urukbe. Any mistake, all of them go shout, is a new style. See the kind of song where you dey hear. You dey hear something like Akpa Ibololo Oyibo say screen.
They carry coming go swing go. The money they plenty. Hey God. I'm ready for child so that the name they follow the sari. Expensive don't be. Expensive don't be. Plus the money. Okay, plus that doing so and the characters. Boy lights on the air. Expensive don't be. You see what? What kind of money is it? I know you can tell like I say. Don't be what you the two not doing some lady. Our do is that 50 or not be until then they shout on Bishop or Lindsay. What kind of money is this? This one a reality 2020. White lights. The money will carry coming go with me go. The money plenty. Expensive to be. Billionaires not a sleep. Expensive to be. Billionaires not a sleep. I don't want to be. No, ladies and gentlemen. Expensive don't be. He's doing what's that? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, I squat with the game money to do this. It's a bottle of NSC. From expensive don't be. So I tell you oh my God. From expensive don't be. What kind of money is this? So I tell you Funny what you the two not doing is not believing. The money not be audio. This one a reality 2020. You know the money will carry come because speak out. The money plenty. The money not be audio money. We be like 10 feet old, the billions 30 So the century. The living dead. One of the year. Oh my God. What's up? Ace of Spades. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ace of Spades. Oh my God. One of the century. The voice of the streets. Ace of Spades. The voice of the streets. One of the year. The voice of the streets. The living dead. The voice of the streets. The mayor of Desmond. Gold bottle. Ace of Spades. Oh my God. What the most expensive shopping? Jenny, let's go. One of the century. The voice of the streets. Let's go. Everybody, let's go, sir. One time. Listen, for club on Monday, we get mash when not finish. Malians, remember that mash? We are telling like Ace of Spades. When man on the come match with you now, that mash is yet to finish. Bring up this for you, remember now? Listen, tonight the squads are dedicated. The squads are dedicated. Be a job to Sari. What's up? Everybody, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, special attention. All we need to know is that bottles are in the air. A body card. Black bottle. Oh my God. Show your mind here now. You don't need us for the sleep. Plus on 90 like I say, now we play. This one a reality 2020. Oh my God. What's up? Oh my God. Oh no walking. When we get started, we don't get anything. Small power will be God. Plus, if we don't get this money, we can't have it. What kind of money is that? Oh no walking. Small power will be God.
push out.
Small boy with big dogs.
Let me just break it down. Break it down. Now listen. In the next 20 minutes, we'll be giving to you artists back to back. After that, we're going to kiss with DJ Fish. I believe the Malians are ready. The SME, they are ready. AP.com. What's your count? If you don't find it, all the squad they take the PD. But before we go do that one, we'll take the artists back to back. Coming up next, AB.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Right about now, I want to pick out a very good artist. When it comes to good music, we call him number one. Give it up as a make welcome, Gifty Lee. Shit.
Whoa. Yeah.
One time.
Wet Nation. Bam, bam, bam. Bang down. Dum. For the boy. For the boy.
One time, let's go.
Every day we ballin', every night and day we be flexing, yeah. Who's on there, we be chillin', putting on benzo, nigga, we be cruising, yeah. Every day we ballin', every night and day we be flexing, yeah. Who's on there, we be chillin', nigga, with the benzo, nigga, we be cruising, yeah. Give me one time, nigga, one try. Give me one time. Give me one time. Baby girl, one time. Nigga, one try. Nigga, one try, yo.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, Latin necessary. Oh, Latin necessary. Oh, Latin necessary.
Oh, Latin necessary.
Oh, Latin necessary.
Oh, Latin necessary.
Oh, Latin necessary. Oh, necessary. Every day we ballin'. Every day and night we be flexing, yeah. Guess them day that be loving, nigga with the band, so every day we cruising, yeah. Every day we ballin'.
One time.
Guess them day that be loving, no. Niggas with the band, so we cruising, nigga with the band, so every day we cruising, yeah. 20 more times.
One time.
20 more times. I give it to them, mother, the girls all on them, my para, oh. They call me daddy, oh. They call me daddy, oh.
Lua Style, Mr. Josie.
Every day we
Lua Style,
every night and day we be flexing, yeah.
Mr. Josie. Lua Style, Lua Style.
Every night and day we be flexing. Softy form, Big 19.
One time.
Baby, me a Superman. Baby, me a stand by you. Baby, me a fight for you. Baby, me a day for you. Anywhere you want, you go. Anything you want, you go buy. Take you everywhere you wanna go. Baby, me a day for you. Chocolate, baby, why your waist? Fine face, girl, you make me crazy. Chocolate. Baby, why your waist, oh yeah. Fine face, girl, you make me crazy, oh yeah. You give me love, baby girl, you give me oh yeah. You give me touches and kisses, I can't deny. You give me love, I can't deny. You take my pain away, I say I don't go lie. Baby, you stay, never leave. Baby, be my boo. Always fight for you. Baby, you stay, never leave. Oh, you my boo, yeah. Always fight for you. Chocolate, baby, why your waist? Fine face, yeah, you make me crazy. Yeah. Chocolate, baby, why your waist? Oh, yeah. Fine face, yeah, you make me crazy. Yeah.
You know understand how the matter go. It's a boy Emperor G swanging out with the baddest. You understand the boy be like God. See, Ajura Loke make you bless me with this money, oh. When I wake up with the money, all I need oh you this money, oh. Ain't nobody if I even collect this money. You know bad if I collect this money. See. Okay, now see how it goes now. Like that.
To give up no showing.
Okay.
Baba don't talk out now.
Alright. Now maybe that's now. Life on legit.
It's not the story of Maxi, my Richie. Back there, Maxi know they wear Coban. Maxi a fat guy, ain't fucking book G. Cool guys for the club, Maxi they pop money. When he gets show, gets the fuck money. Maxi know they wear tie, they fuck money. Big board shows, Maxi buy, they fuck money. Yeah, see, pull up in a Benz. Lord, answer this prayer, no test. When I live a life, I wanna live on to impress. Maxi used to say, son, you are depressed. Yeah.
Motijasi, money laundry. If I don't get money, I go tell laundry. I gotta pray, make money, get laundry.
Yeah.
See, my name is Noisy. I can make you bless me with this money, oh. When I wake up in the money, all I need is this money, oh. Ain't nobody if I even collect this money. Ain't nobody if I collect this money, oh. See, I can make you bless me with this money. When I wake up in the morning, all I need is this money, oh. Ain't nobody if I even collect this money. See, ain't not bad though. If you collect this money 2020, everywhere good now. See, all I need is this money. I know they underrate nobody. Cause nobody is the same for this life, oh. Now only one life me I really get to. For the streets from the ghetto, every man out with their own ghetto. Oluwa run out for me 2 seconds, make it sure for me. See, this year na Vision 2020. My game never hope, not gonna ever die, you see. Young boy keep on really balling. Fake friends all around, they wanna roll me, see. Lord don't protect me for the evil ones. Oluwa make you bless my hustle, cause now only one life me I get. See,
I can make you bless me with this money.
Make you bless us.
When I wake up in the money, all I need
this money, oh. Hard work now, hard work. If you believe say hand go pay, you go pay. And every day me pray, make my hand work, oh, make it pay well, oh. See?
A cruise on the mix.
Alright now. Emperor she's right here. Life as legit. Based on logistics. You understand? Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. See? Hard work now, hard work, oh, to be a man, it doesn't not be easy thing, oh. And every day me pray, make my hard work, oh, make it pay well, oh. Sure you know, say hard work now, hard work, oh. To be a man, it doesn't not be easy thing, oh. And every day me pray, make my hard work, oh, make it pay well, oh. See, alright, see. They want to run my race, so I tell them 100 meters, so they want to turn me up, oh. I tell them 100 liters, so see, I can't go ahead and kill myself just to please nobody for this life, oh. You don't need to please anybody for this life now. You don't understand the master go. Be yourself. Life not by head, though. Every year to the top, I just move ahead, though. See, I'll baby use your head, though. Make you also to the top, oh.
To be a man, it doesn't not be easy.
Show me one time to see it. What Tony Cruz? Tony Cruz. The battles and the CVSOP. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm ready for Charles so that the name can follow the Sari. What do they do now? Do is not the ladies. All I do is not fit you, not be out you. Let us show a picture for radio. What Tony Cruz? I'm ready, calm down. Let's check the list. I'm here for the countdown. Luis. Oh my God, weekend. Let's slow down. Are you ready tonight? Yes,
Good comedy, we call him number one. Give it up as I make welcome MC Rosie. Let's go.
Indeed. Thank you, the beat.
if you know say you love your boyfriend and you're not ashamed of him, I beg give and beg. Kiss and wear, I beg. If you are single, after I come up for stage, no shame. Come my front, just wave me. I go spin you. I beg. No shame. Today I walk around Otefe, they don't finish all the good cycle for the chemist. So the small this thing I carry, I can't use pure water cellophane, they time my levels. So now me use it called burst. I beg, more advise me, those of una way they do well. Hope say nothing go happen. Today I say may I go this Retos block, so shit can't catch me. As shit catch me, I can't use one of the lecturers their bedroom. I say, sir, please show me your restroom. Guy can't carry me go toilet. I call shit. I shit finish. I want flush shit. Shit not green flush. My shit call hold the wall of the WC. My shit call hold the wall of the WC. I flush and not green flush. So I say my push on. As I want use my push on, I call phone inside. Behold, when I reach the soccer way, oh God, no shit safe. Now only goat cycle and women pants. Now they there. Now let me tell you the history of my face. My name na Eriwo De Ogene Emmanuel. I'm from Ovade. I'm a very ugly boy. I dey come school one day with the boss. Police stop the motor. They just handcuff me. So what did I do? They say my face be like who they plan bad thing. We dey go worry. We call reach army checkpoint. Army called stop the motor. One boy when we got them my back, he called say, please, I'm running late. Not be saying na me talking. They see who talk am o. Not be saying na me. Army my koko beat me. A whole poor child beat me. They come ask am say wetin I do. Say I be like who they happy for wetin the boy talk. Now they arrest my brother. My face, so may I tell you about my face? Because last person go say go like carry pikin for me, my help and carry am. If you carry your pikin for me, if you come back, your pikin go turn juju for your eye. It go all like me. I mean arrest my brother because say police arrest my brother because say disvirgin people children. So I call carry food go meet my brother for station. I reach there. Police free my brother, they call arrest me. They call tell them say why I call arrest the boy now. They say be like say na me buy the condom when they take this virgin the when you say the condom come bust.
DJ, thank you. DJ, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next, give it up for Mr. Spunky. What's Spunky?
Himo. They call me S-P-U-N-K-Y. Spunky, to my first one. DJ, hold it small. Himo stay there. Himo stay there. Girl, I'm sorry for the ones I did. I know you hate me, but guess all I did. But baby, I'm sorry, I'm begging on my knees. Please, please, I need you back in my life. So, mommy, baby, me, I love, I know the light. Try to give me another chance, let me do things right. I promise I shall there will be no more fight. So to one listen to what you understand. I got so many explanations this morning in my mind. I for you, baby. Step me in, I saw my life goes another way. Wash away, you're the best. You are the best I ever seen, my ever green. You got my heart, it's like what the phone on the stream. You got me to the note, it is my heart full of sin. What more can I say when your thoughts are love on me? Yeah, sorry, I know you love me too. I know you really care for the things that I do. I know you want to be by myself and be my boo. So why they plan on me when you know I love you too? Himo, I see you all, you know. Happy birthday to all of you. Let's go. I love you. Yo. When the sky looks blue, I miss you. When the dream comes true, I miss you. When the flowers cover with you, I miss you. Doing the breaking of the day, you know I miss you. But fight me, please don't leave me. You are my one in a million, forever we be. She's so cool like ice, but she tricks me. And she turn around and say goodbye to me. Oh my God, when she's gone, no one to call my own. My love, it's like a heavy rainfall. What a hair, look deep in my eyes. I feel so very low, it's catching me if I fall. Because I'm feeble, I can't recall when she say I'm the man. And the best among the men she ever had. And that she will love me from the start to the end. As a person love her, DJ Papa, let's go next
She says she like it when I dance. She like it when I dance. And she love it when I sing. If I say she go down, she says she like it when I dance. She like it when I dance, and she love it when I sing. If I say she go dance, baby now you would make me go confused, baby baby now you would drive me go insane, baby now only excuse me, baby, you are into me. Rescue me, my sugar mommy. Take care of me, so mommy, baby. I need you. L-O-V-E, Shana love, G-I-V-E, Shana give, Shana.
I observe the nigga, one ear be like rat, the other one be like rabbit. I call the one that guy. Who be this now? They say na him be Smingo guy. Just shut up. Now him be number one man for Tefe guy. If you touch her, Enyanya go gam you. If they slap you two face, you go turn twins, two face, back face. You know this kind of thing. No go fuck with this guy. And number one man for Tefe, hope you no die. See, guys go see her, they go see her, they run. The other day I jam her for club. Each guy one go one get, the guy get tear and slap. My head boss. I not stop. I verse once, I give her one casket of NEC. Although I never blow, I use my salary to pay. She wanna see. Me and the guy, some guy, paddy. If they come my hood, one or support her, they cut shop some food. I don't know, say, mama need it. Say things near me for engineering. When I not get money, she they give me credit. I pile up food there, it receiling my credit. I don't feel clear and see debt. Oh man, I tell and the woman tell me say make I no worry as I won't graduate, make I no pay. Say the money where she dey find. One day I go give her. You know say now once one or two. I meet my guy, they call him Esquire. We put us together, my guy, see what he will accomplish, acquire. I see another they call and show them. I could be she shock you, she done. Now food we done, oh. Mr. Leon. Now still on the story, oh. Just listen. Oh man, when we start Mingo with Smingo 2017, they want us, they say we not pay Smingo, we scammer, this and that. Smingo cover our matter for town. In Yana, different stores, they hear them. Say we be scam. Say we they use people, picking, say they do one or two, they do show, they make money, enrich ourselves, my guy. We not be monkey. Monkey no go walk, babu no go call the shop, my guy. Make you listen to me, na true story at the end. Sit down they look, na dog name. But Mr. Leon, you be big name. I can't invite you on behalf of Smingo. Na big casket of many style. What they saw up, I see they like your style now. The money for your skin. Oh yeah, make you spray them now. Alpha, lawyer, my chairman. Back there for CF, you be one good artist now. I feel like when you come the stage, make them feel your vibe. Because the vibe where you get, my guy, to go high. Die. Another. Still on the Smingo shades. You know this matter, I go tough.
Mr. Josie.
Josie.
Mr. Leon. Mr. Leon.
I remember back then in engineering, 91.
Mr. Leon.
Where we did go. They don't know us.
What Leon?
Now Malian still so.
What's up?
Oh, you Mark Bayon. Shout out to the number one man for Tefe Enyanya. I dey hear you. You're welcome, sir. Make a go table at Togi Banks. My senior brother. I want to greet you. Expensive don't pee. You look so expensive, expensive don't pee. All the haters, I tell them, make they go pin. See that for them. I say, make they pin. Expensive don't pee. I dey hear you. See your table, the light, many in the sea. Beef song. Beef song. Afana. Haters no one leave us. That's why I dey lie. Haters no one leave us. If we were with them, my guy, they snitch us. Haters no one leave us.
You what, Pop?
Every night a day we dey bomb. We not dey sleep, my guy. Steady walk. We go carry mic. We go dey the legit. We go do the hype. Even nobody dey now. All the NNN go mad. They go bring money. They go start to spray. They go buy enough drink. The haters go still the hate. They go say we not try. My guy, listen. Which can big lie? I see him now. People bust out. I been a lie. This not be last year. Where election cast down. Victor AD that year. We broke almost 1.7 million lost guy. Yeah, damn me. Yeah, I read Titanica. I start to check at the joke. And see, I start to the think. I go be like, the cast. We don't decrease. Haters, no one leave us.
What do you think?
Bully. See. I know the waka alone, no, I get squad. And if I the waka with the below van, big squad, www.ap.com, it don't come. Big squad, VIP squad, Belare squad, that year. They like Belare from all the tables, that year. Even the ones that the front purpose, they collect. They still pop, sip on ease, Snapchat now. Even your get, don't they wait for them. Touch Akpenkos, you go see. My guy listening. DJ, hola.
My money squats.
Hola, now my show. If not, so I go rap it tomorrow. I know they stop.
You what?
I know they stop. I bet if you know you love Smingo, somebody scream Smingo. Okay, and I don't love Smingo. Oh yeah, if you know you love KK Banks, somebody scream KK Banks. And I love me. If you know you love Esquire, somebody scream Esquire. Okay. If you know you love DJ P, somebody scream Omo Kripopo.
Oyana, you ready?
Oyana, leave a ladies one. Watch it and see for the screen. Wanna look away. Who that watch Lord of the Rings? Who that watch Lord of the Rings? Like this now be Frodo. This now Mr. Paul. When I don't watch Lord of the Ring, see the ring for my hand. 2020, origin of the ring. Where Bella's mother come, see people who call Smingo. You don't see wonders.
One time I got the run out.
You don't see wonders.
Only Jesus can say.
You don't see wonders.
Oh, come on. If you don't say it there with your boo.
Oh yeah, oh your boo, oh your boo.
If you don't say it there with your boo.
Alright, DJ, thank you.
Oh your boo. Yeah, on the lights.
Or something. And waiting I want to and waiting. Now waiting I never tell person before. Muna list, you know. And if to say I don't like Kona, I for no who tell myself. Because I like Kona, I want to now. I want to say I don't finally agree. I want to say I don't finally agree say I be disabled. Even myself, I be not be no say I be disabled. Now last week, now somebody coming. In content me say, in the film, somebody they tell us I be disabled. When he can't talk the word, I can't see reasons to believe him. Because normal person when God creates, he face with the belly the day the way man the day.
My one, they always trafficate. Bad luck, bad luck, bad luck. Like now, see time wake up, people call me. Bad luck everywhere. If you even get one church where me they go before, the pastor cause they make another come the church again. He say God not they happy with me. And for the church, I join workers meeting. And they go workers meeting. But the funniest thing be say, they not they ever they use me, they do better thing for the church. I want to know what bad luck we do. They not they use me, they do better thing for the church. The only time when they use me, when the pastor they use me for the church, now when the pastor won't use me to give example of devil. And now go talk and say, for example, power, you are the devil. You go just talk and once. Now, power, you are the devil. The thing they pay me, and they talk, they laugh. Even get one time when they do altar call. If you want to give your life to Christ, come forward. And they walk out, they go front, they go give my life to Christ. Now the pastor say, make I go back. The pastor say, not be your life that they give Jesus. The thing they pay me, bros. He say, if they carry my life reach heaven, say now take a community, go settle the fight for that side. You get one time when they take Holy Communion for the church. When it reached my turn to take Holy Communion, the pastor said, make I go back. The pastor said, I dey shop Holy Communion bread. He said, I dey shop the bread like salad. So I dey drink the blood like wine. See, I dey took the Holy Communion. I dey take her with all pleasure, like say, I dey happy say Jesus die. Now that one come make me verse, go open my own church. I said, I want to become pastor. I can say, okay, make I go pastor school for Benin. When I reach pastor school for Benin, they first carry me go river, go bar first, like Sabi Juju. Abi be the pastor picking. Why you dey do that kind of sound? The pastor God tell me, say, not be saying no. Family people everywhere. Fear family, oh. You don't cut my joke now. But you know say the guy like this on a family son come. Now, accounting student day here, ACC. For our accounting department, we get 4 unit course. Now rector bring family conjoinamo. Family 202, 6 unit course. Because family problem too much. Ladies and gentlemen, you go agree with me, say not be only governments now they spoil this our country. See, may we assume say okay, as we dey complain say government they spoil the country because government because okay, all the old musicians when they sing song with good English, may they come back. When they sing song with pidgin English, may they come back, go rewrite the song, sing out with simple and correct English. You know say wahala go dey the country. People when they use pidgin English, they sing people like the Eriga. Wahala go do. I want to sing song. How am I going to drive myself when I don't know how to swim? Even where I did say devil not sabi gym. The one way go vex me past. Now that you get to see they do me, you go window. Oh, now know that song. Hey, well, just give me from I want to tell you something. Give me first, give me. Now, wait, now we are come for fun now. Why they do like that? Now, can you imagine I say the cut say okay, make P Square remix his song, make it sing with good English. That you get to see they do me. I want to start. You get to say he's doing me. You injure. Please do me. If you want clap in eyes, yo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, my job is last one. AKP. Now we there Dubai. Now I go give you the mic. Now we there Dubai now. Now me get the church now. Under be my members. Now Esquire go call me now. We there Dubai. Esquire call me for Dubai church. We there Dubai. See the way that they risk for Dubai.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, at this time point we're about to receive the man of God. Hallelujah. Let's give it up for Pastor Paulie.
Amen. When I say amen. Amen. They always they pay there. Hallelujah. Praise God. AKP, can't give her the mic now. People they feel them. I don't know. I don't know. They're not the ever know. I don't know. Hallelujah. That swag that's with you. Open to the book of John 3:16. John 3:16. Open up for me, John 3:16. Column. Just the column. John 3 word. Okay. For God so loved the world. For what's a word? For what's a word? Okay, there was a word. That give me word.
Thank you very much.
Now wait, hold on. Now we come to Otefe. Bring the mic, gotta do like this. I'm not gonna call your show. Stop. Now we come to Otefe Church. When I don't call Otefe Church before, Evangelical Prophetic Power Ministry. Now we will come to Otefe Church. If you get heart attack, you not go feel you don't feel the church. Now you go come in for that kind of church, mostly Urobo people church. Now take, come in for the church.
Hey, are you ready? Are you set? Ladies and gentlemen, he's a man of fire, a man of G. Hey, rakatatata. Are you ready for the man of God, the bishop of all? Hey, give it up for Pastor, Reverend, Doctor, Bishop, hey, Power.
What? You don't follow person fight? I don't know. If you don't know, go ask. I don't know, sir. Hope you not go collect a back, sir. Sir, I don't know, sir. Sir. This, sir, what can I make way? Sir, can I talk if you don't want to talk?
Please spray your money on the stage.
See bien, where you say? Ambrose. Lesson, I don't know.
DJ Drake.
DJ More Music than NG.